Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English with Ease, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Sara, your English teacher.
And I'm Alvin. Hello, Sara.
Hello, Alvin. And hello to all our amazing listeners in the US, the UK, Canada, Europe, and all around the world. It is a beautiful day to learn English.
Maybe for you, but not for me.
Oh no. What happened this time?
Today my boss said something that hurt my heart.
What did your boss say?
He said, Alvin, your English is very basic.
Oh,
Then my friend read my message and said, why do you use very in every sentence? Very good, very bad, very big, very small. You sound like a broken robot.
a very robot.
Yes, I say very all the time. Very this, very that, very everything.
Many learners do the same.
Is it really that bad?
It's not bad, but if you use very all the time, your English can sound simple, like beginner English.
Ouch. That hurts even more.
The good news is we can fix this.
Please fix me, teacher.
And you listening, this lesson is also for you. Today we are talking about stop saying very 20 better English words to sound fluent.
Oh, that sounds powerful.
It is. After this lesson, you will know strong, natural words, and your English will sound more advanced.
I like that. Boss, I am coming for you.
Before we start, a small, polite request.
We are always polite here.
Could you please click the like button?
And could you please subscribe to English with Ease?
It really helps us.
And it helps you. You don't miss new lessons.
Thank you so much. Okay, let's begin. First, one simple idea. In English, we often have two choices. Very plus normal word, OR1 strong word. For example, very good, excellent, very bad, terrible.
So I can remove very and use one strong word.
Yes, that sounds more fluent and natural.
Okay. Teach me the magic words.
Let's start with feelings. Instead of very tired, say exhausted. Exhausted. It sounds like exhausted.
AL, exhausted.
It means extremely tired. Example, I worked all day, I am exhausted.
Not, I am very, very tired.
S right. Next, instead of very angry, say furious. Furious. It sounds like F-Y-O-O-R-E-E-U-S.
Furious.
Example, he was furious when he lost his phone.
A furious. That sounds really strong.
It is. Next, instead of very funny, say hilarious. Hilarious. It sounds like hilarious.
Hilarious.
Example, that movie was hilarious. I couldn't stop laughing.
I like that one. Hilarious.
One more. Instead of very sad, say devastated. Devastated. It sounds like devastated.
Devastated.
Example, she was devastated when her team lost.
So we have very tired, exhausted, very angry, furious, very funny, hilarious, very sad, devastated.
Perfect. Now let's talk about good and bad. Instead of very good, you can say excellent. E-X-U-L-L-E-N-T. Your English is excellent. Amazing. Amazing. The view is amazing. Fantastic. Fantastic. You did a fantastic job.
So I should stop saying very good all the time.
Yes. Try excellent, amazing, or fantastic.
Okay.
For very bad, you can say terrible. Terrible. The weather is terrible today. Awful. A WFUL. The food was awful.
So, a very good, excellent, amazing, fantastic. Very bad, terrible, awful.
Exactly. Now size. Big and small. Instead of very small, say tiny. Tiny. T-A-I-N-E-E.
Tiny.
Example. My apartment is tiny, but I love it. Instead of very big, say huge. Huge. Huge.
Huge.
Their house is huge.
So, very small, tiny, very big, huge.
Yes, simple and strong. Now temperature, instead of very cold, say freezing. Freezing. Freezing.
Freezing.
It's freezing outside, wear a jacket. Instead of very hot, say boiling. Boiling. B-O-I-L-I-N-G.
Boiling.
It's boiling today. I need some ice water.
So, AL, very cold, freezing. Very hot, boiling.
Correct. Let's talk about food and looks. Instead of very delicious, you can say just delicious. Delicious already means very tasty. Delicious.
Delicious.
This cake is delicious. Instead of very beautiful, say gorgeous. Gorgeous. Gorjus.
Gorgeous.
The view from the mountain was gorgeous.
I can also say a person is gorgeous.
Yes, but be careful. It is strong. It means very beautiful.
I will use it carefully.
Two more. Instead of very noisy, say deafening. Deafening. Deafening.
Deafening.
The music in the club was deafening. Instead of very crowded, say packed. Packed.
Packed.
The train was packed this morning.
So, very noisy, deafening. Very crowded, packed.
Exactly.
Okay, Sarah, I have a question.
Go ahead.
Can I say very exhausted?
Number. Good question. With these strong words, you do not use very. Not very exhausted, just exhausted. Not very freezing, just freezing. Not very hilarious, just hilarious.
Oh, so very plus strong word is wrong.
Yes. If the word already means very, don't add very.
So not very tiny, not very huge, not very boiling.
Correct.
Can we do a little role play?
Sure.
I will speak with my old very English. You speak with strong English.
Okay, let's try it.
How was the movie?
It was very good.
Now your turn, strong version.
It was excellent. It was hilarious.
Ooh, nice. How was your trip to the mountains?
It was very beautiful. The view was very good.
Strong version.
It was gorgeous. The view was amazing.
Yesterday I walked for 5 hours. I was very tired.
Better, yesterday I walked for 5 hours. I was exhausted.
The food at that restaurant was very bad.
The food at that restaurant was terrible.
It is very cold in here.
It is freezing in here.
The club was very noisy and very crowded.
The club was deafening and packed.
Wow. Your version sounds like movie English.
It sounds more like native speakers, yes. Let's practice pronunciation again. Repeat after me, listeners. And you too, Alvin. Excellent.
Excellent.
Terrible.
Terrible.
Exhausted.
Exhausted.
Furious.
Furious.
Hilarious.
Hilarious.
Tiny.
Tiny.
Huge.
Huge.
Freezing.
Freezing.
Boiling.
Boiling.
Gorgeous.
Gorgeous.
Delicious.
Delicious.
Now I want to give you some simple tips. Tip 1. Don't try to remember all words today. Choose 3 or 4 strong words. For example, exhausted, freezing, excellent, terrible. Use only these for 1 week.
Like, I am exhausted today. Alvin, the weather is freezing. That movie was excellent. The food was terrible.
Exactly. Tip 2. Write a translation list. On one side, write, very good, very bad, very tired, very cold. On the other side, write, excellent, terrible, exhausted, freezing. Look at this list every day for a few minutes.
Like flashcards.
Yes. Tip 3. Listen for these words in movies or series. When a character says exhausted or hilarious, pause. Repeat the sentence.
Copy their voice and tone.
Exactly. Tip 4. Correct yourself when you can. If you say, I'm very tired, stop and say, sorry, I mean I'm exhausted.
So I learn in real life.
Yes. That is powerful. Let's do a quick review. Instead of very tired, say exhausted. Instead of very angry, say furious. Instead of very funny, say hilarious. Instead of very sad, say devastated. Instead of very good, say excellent, amazing, fantastic. Instead of very bad, say terrible, awful. Instead of very small, say tiny. Instead of very big, say huge. Instead of very cold, say freezing. Instead of very hot, say boiling. Instead of very beautiful, say gorgeous. Instead of very noisy, say deafening. Instead of very crowded, say packed.
And remember, no very with these strong words.
Right, just one strong word is enough. Now we want to hear from you.
Yes, your turn to practice.
In the comments, write 3 sentences. First, write the very sentence. Then, write the strong sentence. For example, it is very cold today. It is freezing today.
Or, the movie was very funny. The movie was hilarious.
Use real things from your life, your day, your weekend, your city.
We read your comments.
We really do. If this lesson helped you, please subscribe to English with Ease.
Click the like button and share this video with a friend.
Maybe a friend who uses very every 5 seconds.
Help them sound more fluent.
In our next video, we will talk about stop saying I'm fine, better ways to answer how are you.
Oh, that sounds fun and very useful.
We will teach you natural answers, like native speakers in the US, UK, Canada, and Europe.
I am excited already.
Thank you so much for learning with us today.
You're doing a great job with your English.
Remember, small changes make a big difference. One strong word can change your whole sentence.
We believe in you,
Take care, keep practicing.
and see you next time.
Bye, everyone.
Bye for now.